Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in a flight and necessary documents. That's the fastest way to move. Once you pick a carrier and target airport, usually Kahului, Oahu, check baggage dimensions and restrictions so you avoid fees at the counter. Next, buy or reserve your ticket 30 to 60 days ahead to secure lower fares and add a carry-on with essentials, ID, prescriptions, and a change of clothes. Make sure payment and contact info match your ID to speed check-in. Once your ticket is booked, focus on getting to the airport and checking in smoothly. You should check in online 24 hours before departure to pick seats and prepay baggage when possible, which saves time and money at the counter. Plan your transit to the airport with a 60 to 90-minute buffer for inter-island flights. Use shuttle, rideshare, or park in long-term lots. Make sure to review TSA rules and have your boarding pass ready on your phone or printed. You complete the trip by collecting your bags and heading to ground transport. Most flights land at Kahului, Oahu, where car rentals and shuttles are immediate. Once done, follow signs to baggage claim, collect luggage, and confirm your rental or pickup location. If something goes wrong, like a delay or missed connection, contact the airline immediately to rebook or request standby. Keep digital copies of confirmations and the carrier's phone number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.